So I just got the exciting Macaron LABUBU. So happy. Fingers crossed that it's authentic because I did not buy it in Popmark. But this is my first exciting Macaron opening, and I want the secret. Screw all of them. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I want a fun one like the blue one or the lychee berry. I've seen so many unboxing of this, but yeah, I think I'm happy with any of them because this is like a very neutral collection. So here goes nothing. This is very exciting. This bag is quality. I think it's authentic. Alright, so I'm gonna open the bag and you guys are gonna see it first, okay? But don't tell me what color it is. How does my LABUBU look? How does my LABUBU look? Oh, it's a gray one. It's a gray one. Out of every color, I got gray. This one is sesame bean, I think. Inspecting. Scan with iPhone. I mean, I don't know. She looks legit. She's cute. Is she cute? Okay, you can stop.